So I had a couple different people at the Huntington Beach Air Show send me pictures of Fat Albert and some video giving my love of the C-130. They thought I would enjoy it, and I sure did. It looked like a beautiful day for flying. I thought I would put all the pictures in the video here, simul running. Here's the cockpit video, and then you'll see a video of Fat Albert literally skimming the waves from a bystander standing on the beach. Awesome video. I appreciate you guys sending me this stuff. Bye, a bunny.